Kublai Paidbah kini lomgi kubor bamdagasngi. Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Kisang Malam Bat Sangut ki Pulit Pahara kila sakut Chief Minister Office CMO Tura namar ke Jing Kynsan ke Jing Kulmar Shabar jong ke Jaka ba Pelong ya ke Jing Elang Hapreng jong UCM bat Kisang Bhalang lembar ki Kinhun ba Per Gani ke Jing Kulmar kelami haba ki Paidbah kim Sham lahun Satya ke ek ba mi na gani ke Jing Elang ke bala Pelong ki ban shim ya uput hadu ban lon mau Shakibor Pahara bat Shakane ke Jaka ba Shong Jing Elang Ya gani ke Jing Kulmar la penmi de ki riushim kabu ki belawan ban snap ya ke ege bami na gani ke Jing Elang. Hadu sangut ki Pulit Pahara kila mensau ha gani ke Jing Jia bat ki Pulit kila hak ban siat da ki tendong le pinsat kemon Syaki Paidbah ban pinsap riang ya ki. Ke Jing Elum Paidbah Shabar ke CM Office kelas dang nadu ke Porjan Mit Syaban sedang ke Jing Elang hapdeng Menteri Rangba bat ki kenhun baper. Kiken hun seng bhalang balaya lam dak achik kentup ke GHSMC bat kiwei kilaya syong Shah jin la artayo habar jong ke mini secretariat tura bandawa pentrekam ya ke roster system na dukis nem bala litnyo bat ban wanra ya ke winter capital hatura.
Today we had a meeting with different NGOs at two different locations. From Garo Hills, the different NGOs and organizations. Some of them, we met them in Circuit House, and some of the organizations we have met in the Commissioner of Division's Chief Minister Secretariat office here in Tura. During the course of the discussions with different NGOs, issues concerning the implementation of the roster was discussed, and second was the issue of the winter capital, and they have expressed that in both the areas in the roster there has been a vast discrimination where a lot of the posts that were meant for Garos were given to other communities, and hence they demanded that backlog should be done, and hence we've explained the entire process of the roster system and how the OMs have come out, and explained to them how all the legal aspects have been taken into consideration, and that's how the roster system was finalized, and they have suggested that if there could be any other ways and means to make any kind of further opportunities, especially in the Garo Hills region, then that should be explored. And we said that yes, we can definitely examine that aspect, and if there is any further concern that they have regarding the rosters, I have invited them officially around the 8th and 9th of August to Shillong. If they can come, and the cabinet ministers and other government officials will be there, as today I am only accompanied along with my PHE minister, and hence this matter can be discussed more in broader detail there. So that's first. And regarding the winter capital, I have mentioned to them that the entire objective of having a winter capital has multiple aspects. First aspect is regarding the overall administration getting stronger and ensuring that the different services that are provided to the people can be provided from say Tura itself without people having to go to Shillong, and that aspect of administration can be also achieved by strengthening the joint directorates that are present out here in Tura, as well as strengthening the Commissioner of Divisions, and also with the establishment of the mini secretariat. In due course, we should be able to improve the overall system in the administration, and ensure that people would not have to travel very far to Shillong for most of the services they would like to hear from different departments. The other aspect was the aspect of if winter capital was to be brought out. Number one, it would also require legislation, and hence discussion and have to be held with all political parties and with different MLAs will have to be created, and hence those aspects at a broader level could be initiated and discussed with other MLAs also. And hence, in the meeting in Shillong on the 8th and 9th, I have urged that we will call political parties also, where this matter on how to look at the other aspect of a winter capital can be discussed. That also was agreed upon. But in the first instance, as I said, we have also looked at ensuring that the strengthening of the Joint Directorate offices and the Commissioner of Divisions and the CM Secretariat is done, so that the first part of the objective of having a winter capital, which is to ensure that administration gets closer to the people and also to ensure that services are provided to the people, can be taken up. So these matters were discussed, and broadly the organizations have agreed that they would come for the discussion. And regarding the other matters of how they would proceed, they are yet to take a call. They're going to have a meeting, and we have urged them that now that we are discussing the matter, they can stop the fasting that they are doing and discuss everything in amicable and a proper manner, so that we can take the discussions forward. So we will wait for further communication from them and accordingly act. And as I said, the invitation to come and meet the cabinet and the senior officials in the first week of August is already been given, and we expect to hear from them for that discussion further. The roster system, winter capital meeting tentang NGO atau organisasi yang maksa anga personal level kalau meeting ko kaha. Ini kisah pun nanti PHE Minister atau William Nagani MLA ba maksa macam.